So I found this new one which is High Globe. Another alternative for PayPal. Para din siyang Wise. Mababalit din daw yung kanilang rates. So let's check on this one. May binulong siya sa akin, guys. So wala daw transaction fee kay High Globe. Can you educate me ng konti?
Zero transaction fees po. Only conversion rate, which is 0.60%, better than other competitors.
So, i-interviewin natin yung kanilang country manager. I'm kind of interested on this one kasi karamihan sa mga freelancers, they actually using it's either Wise or PayPal. Is this something that more maliit lang yung rates, or can you educate us?
Yes. Okay, so I'll give you a brief comparison kung ano yung main competitive differentiator ni High Globe, no? So si High Globe, we only charge 0.6 flat fee. We don't charge transaction fees. We don't even charge your InstaPay and PesoNet fees if you withdraw to your local bank. In comparison to our, Wise, Payoneer, PayPal, they charge you two ways. So, transaction fee or conversion fee.
Yes.
Right? Sa amin kasi, it's only one flat FX fee.
Oh,
right? So, we only charge you kapag i-withdraw mo na sa Philippine bank mo, and i-convert mo na into Philippine peso yung income mo or yung salary mo. That's the main competitive advantage namin sa kanila. We also give you 3% yield. Right? So, sa balance mo, kung ano yung natitira sa High Globe balance mo, meron 3% yan. We give it to you 24/7. And then we allow you to accrue those interest or yield every day, pero every week namin siya pinipay out. So makikita mo may point
so parang
something.
bank, ganun.
Yes. Because we're gonna give you a US dollar account, di ba? For free. US dollar account under your name or European bank account under your name. But the main purpose of that is for you to receive abroad as if you're there. As if nasa Amerika ka pag tumatanggap ka ng bayad. Kasi si client mo, magta-transfer na lang siya ng bank ACH.
Oh, may nakita ko guys dito, tingnan nyo. May nakalagay.
Credit card acceptance.
Credit card acceptance, so pwede?
Yes. So parang bibigyan ka namin ng ability to create payment links. So very simple lang yung payment links. Click mo lang create payment links. Makakakita ka ng link. Copy mo yun. Send mo sa client mo via WhatsApp or probably email. Pag-click ng client mo doon, mariredirect sila sa isang window wherein they will enter their credit card or debit card details.
So is there any requirements para magkaroon ng account dito?
Yes, syempre, we also do KYC, right? So, we will ask you for your valid ID. Kailangan nyo rin pong mag-selfie, the typical KYC onboarding process. So, after mo ma-approve yung account mo, then you can start using High Globe and receive payments from US.
Pero for now, do you have like a card na ini-issue or all digital lang siya?
Meron kaming ini-issue card which is a Visa signature card. This you could use this to spend your dollars, right? If you're spending in dollars, walang fee. If you're spending locally or any other currency, may 1% na fee. Okay?
Uy guys, maganda to!
Yes. Pwede mo siyang i-link sa iyong Google Wallet or Apple Pay.
Ilalagay ko yung website link nila sa ating video na to. Uy guys, alam nyo na! At dahil nandito tayo sa Go High Level event, meron tayong
Switch to High Globe now!
Oh, yeah. Switch na kayo. Wag na kayo mag-PayPal. Please lang.
All right.